Hi guys, today in a series of questions to the trader is one thing which irritates me as hell. To stay updated about these videos and our content, just click below and just click subscribe, leave thumbs up. And now about the traders, okay? To be honest with you, I'm very irritated by the situation in which many of us, many of you accept this trading gonna be like an easy way to success. It irritates me personally because I have been on the market for many years. It requires time to understand how this market works. You have a great advantage because today you can use everything. There is a lot of knowledge on the internet, on YouTube guys, and yes, much more in my project where we go deep into trading and everything is planned. You can do it super fast compared to what I was doing and a lot of people in general. There are people who are 10 years on the market and there is this expectation that profit should be in 2 days or a week. I understand that it comes from the situation where you need money and this profit anger from within. Many times I meet intelligent, wise, well-educated and prepared people who do business, and sometimes this business are worth millions. We talk about how it works and I say that you need to give yourself time and commitment and it won't be successful in a week. That there is needed practice, things to be learned. There are elements which are very crucial. There will be emotions. It irritates me because first of all, I talk about it very often and I say what these things end with. I'm talking about dangers of these things, that you shouldn't do that, but considering all of this, 80% of people do it differently because they have to experience it themselves. And the worst thing is that out of this 80% people, 95 of these people do not draw any conclusions. So how do you want to learn? It is normal that there are losers, that there are wrong decisions. That is a normal thing. This is a market where we compete, different interest groups clash and so on. So that's okay, but 95% of people don't draw conclusions. Yeah, they say that they have already learned this by now. Now they know what is about, and after 2 months pass, they make exactly the same mistakes. And it's not easy and simple, but if you devote time, energy, work through the strategy, approach risk management, work through certain emotion, you will also start to learn from your mistakes. You will start to learn from other people's mistakes, which we talk about very often. You will gain knowledge, skills and habits. I have a certain essay of making decisions. I don't stress, I don't pull my hair out and I enjoy it. It's fun, I like to do it because I learned to function on it. And like I said, it's a bit of an ace. If I had to go back 12 or 10 years ago, it was fucking difficult. It didn't work, I was losing money and it irritated me. It's not just in trading that many people take this approach to make it quick, easy, simple. And then problems arise or they pull up because someone had burned, they lost money. But we are trying to change that. I try to talk about it. I try to fill the gaps. I try to point in which direction it really makes sense. Well, whether you will get something out of it, it's up to you. Click here to the next video on our channel. Don't forget subscribe the channel. And remember, all in traders is not about the risk. I'm not crazy man. It's about the process, so focus on it and keep trading guys. See you.